Okay, guys, so I have my SHEIN haul. These are graduation packages, gifts, token of appreciation for my kids who will be graduating their fourth one and a half. So I'm just gonna take out them random, not random color. So the first thing is a 50 pack of sharpeners. Just normal sharpeners. We have blue, yellow, green, and red. Last year I bought a, I think this is a 500. Is this a 500 roll? Maybe it's a 200 roll of stickers for good manners, good behavior, doing their work, etc. This is a 30 pack of puppets. So each kid will get two. I have 15 kids in my class. Each child will take on two. If you're not 4 years old, they love, anything that bright lights up. So I bought, I think this is a 30-piece set of turtles that glows in the dark. And these are the cutest turtles. Cutest. Have I tried them? No. Coming it's important for something I will show you guys a bit later. That is in the package here. But I bought them some markers. But it is for something very specific. So I'm gonna put the markers at the sides until I reach where it is needed. I thought these were bigger. These are, we call them rubber erasers. They are erasers and they are very cute erasers, if I must say. We got a slice of watermelon. Where's the camera? We got a heart. We got a rabbit. Is that a rabbit? Maybe a sheep. This is a rabbit. A duck. A cat. All different assortment. There's a lot more. There's a koala. Next item. This is a 20. Let me see if it's 20 or 30. Yeah, it's about a 30 pack of pencils. Another pack of marker. This pack of marker comes with the item that the marker has to go with. So these are clays. Let me see. I didn't open this one here. So the properly packet. It's 12 here. That's 24. At least one. And the sad thing about it is that this side it comes with like some tools that you can use to cut or to mold your clay. But that's it. Kids love clay, Play-Doh. These are basically going to be thank you cards for the parents. I haven't written numbers yet. I didn't even know I ordered these, but I think my conscious did it. So it has different kind. I'll try to show you. Proud of you. So this one has like fireworks. Cheers to you with a beautiful graduation hat. Glad to be glad. And it has balloons. Be who you are, do what you love. And it's a beautiful graduation hats. Next we have first little readers book set, and these are the books, very much organized. So let's just go through. My Best Friend, Krabby Crab, Little red hen makes a pizza. Abby loves green. Ladybug, birthday. Stone stew. The mouse and the magic bee. And these are we didn't never eat. Gary the monster. And these are we didn't never F. The Queen's new cat. Too many unicorns. Tom lost tooth. Ghost Sorella. That's just funny. Cat. Carl the cactus. Biggie the bunny. Fran will fix it. My silly sandwich. What animals, farm, unicorn, sports, leather, animals, pets, unicorn, sea life, wild animals, vehicles, dinosaurs, mermaid, space, underworld water, pet, mermaid, numbers, dinosaur. Very nice. My best friend, remember guys, I did a SHEIN haul last year, so August, and I bought some books. These ones are different. These ones have more pages, and the book that I bought was actually for the classroom, not for individual kids. I find these ones are a lot better because it has more pages. The story makes more sense. The other ones had like 5 pages and the story was so short and it was so senseless. This is my best friend. I probably just skipped 2 pages there. That's just how such a good. See? Alright. One more. So the reason why I bought the markers is because of these are the bags that their stuff are going into. And you're supposed to have markers to crayon the outside. So you can use it as like a paper for coloring, and it's also a little gift bag. But I haven't tried to see if everything will work in it, but I think it will. So we have this one that is like a construction site. This one is a boat, a bird drinking water, it would seem so. And there were 15 of these, and these were probably the hardest thing to find because the ones I found on Temu have 6 markers for each individual bags, and there were 15 bags, and it was a bit cheaper than this one. This one was probably $6 or $7, maybe $8 US, and this one only comes with this marker, and this marker is not going to be enough for 15 children to at least put 2 markers in each bag. So I had to buy this on SHEIN, and it is a 30 pack, and it is an 8 pack, so each time we get 2. I think one thing I want to do is show you guys how how the bag, an example of how the bags will look. Also for myself to see if I might need to pick up anything, whatever the case may be. Right, so this will be the end product. Just a little bag with some goodies. It's pretty. So because I wasn't impressed by how light the bag was, I went out and in my local stores and I bought some stuff, included color pencils and I did buy these kids some snacks and juice to also put in the bag, just to heavy the bag up a bit. But yes, I was so satisfied after I did that. So this is not the final product. However, I do not have an image of the final product. But yeah, this is editing K again, and by the time you hear my voice over this voiceover, we had graduation a couple days ago where these kids received their gifts from me, and I would like to say that they were happy. One of them especially commented and said that she enjoyed every single thing that was in the gift bag. So I think it's something that I will continue doing once I have the privilege of doing it every year. It's something that I enjoy giving back to kids. I love kids. That's why I am a early childhood practitioner. I love kids, and the joy of being able to be one of the persons who educate them and be one of their first teachers is something that I would never ever take advantage of. Hey, I am playing with the clay. However, when I told you guys I have stuff left over, I didn't. I just like, let me give you an example. For some of the stuff I give to the boys and some I give to the girls. So for the leftover books I give to the girls, and for the leftover clay I give to the boys, and whatever else I have left over like sharpeners and so forth I give to the boys who didn't get any leftover clay. So I personally, there was nothing left, and I like that the bags were so similar, but it also was mixed, and I actually feel very very happy about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and watching me make a mess with the clay. I actually enjoyed ordering these things, picking them out, and just thinking about my kids in the back of my head, what they will like, what they'll be enlightened with. And still, I haven't tried to see if the turtles glow in the dark, but in the message that I put in their thank you letters, I did notate that the turtles glow in the dark, so I hope that it did not disappoint them. But yeah, I really had a great time with this, and writing these messages brought so many tears to my eyes, just because I don't even realize how quickly 2 years have passed by since I've had these kids, most of these kids. I'm rambling a lot, so I'm so sorry, but I appreciate and I love these kids so much. And I also hope you guys enjoyed this video. As simple as it might seem, I actually enjoyed every bit of it. And even I actually purposely waited until the graduation, until these kids have the time to open these gifts before I posted this video, just because I wanted everything in there to be a surprise. I don't know what parent is watching the video, so I watching my videos, so I just wanted it to be a complete surprise for the kids. Also, the clay that I have in my hand obviously didn't go into anybody's gift bag. Had I known that I would have placed the extras how I did, I definitely would have left it unopened. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm just here playing with it, enjoying it for some weird reason. The texture of it is so, it's one of the most weirdest, but it's a texture that you get addicted to. So I know these kids are really gonna enjoy these, and because I know them so much, the things that I order are intentionally for them, but it's intentionally for also for their kindergarten journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.